The only thing certain in life is uncertainty. So, what should you do? Waiting forever for the power to come back on? No problem, we've got you covered. Prepare yourself for unexpected emergencies. Stay connected and safe during unforeseen circumstances. Living off-grid with AC200 enables you to power computers, phones, refrigerators, and more. Producing 2,000 watts of continuous power with a huge 1,700 watt-hour capacity. Capable of powering a wide range of devices and appliances with multiple port options, allowing you to power up to 17 devices simultaneously. Keep your food fresh and cool during prolonged power outages. BLUETTI AC200 is a cleaner and quieter generator than fossil-fueled alternatives. Be ready for any kind of power outage or emergency. With 5 different ways to recharge your AC200. Efficient solar charging combined with the built-in MPPT controller is fantastic for outdoor activities. Be fully charged in just 3.5 hours by connecting a 700-watt solar panel. Utilizing LG premium electric vehicle-grade battery cells and an advanced battery management system to protect against overcharging, overcurrent, short-circuiting, and overheated. Your safety is paramount while using the AC200. The built-in touch display allows you to fine-tune your power requirements. Perfect for camping, travel, or anywhere that power is required. Be the life of the party at the barbecue or tailgate gathering. Oops, low battery. Relax, you have BLUETTI Power Station. The AC200 works as an emergency backup for electric vehicles, delivering up to 11 extra miles on a single charge. The AC200 will automatically power down when the output is lower than 50 watts for 4 hours. The 2,000-watt output across multiple outlets gives you more access to blenders, pellet smokers, ice shavers, radios, and even projectors. No need for noisy gas-powered generators. Power outages can be disastrous for families who rely on medical devices such as CPAP machines or medical fridge. Keep quiet throughout the night with a temperature-activated cooling fan, remaining silent up to 45 degrees, allowing you to enjoy a quiet and peaceful night's sleep.
This is LaserPecker, the world's smallest smart portable laser engraver. Start from scratch. Automatic lifting and focusing. It can determine the height of the object accurately and engrave precisely. LaserPecker can copy your sketch to make it work on your desktop. Choose a favorite photo and connect to your smartphone or tablet and start engraving immediately. There are no restrictions on LaserPecker. Record your ideas at any time, anywhere, with any pattern and style. Exclusive foldable protective cover. Provides better protection and using experience. You can also use it to cut out the model from cardboard or blanket. With LaserPecker, you can decorate your home or even your loved ones. Make the ordinary day become extraordinary. Personalize your item. Draw and engrave on craft cardboard, wood, leather, and many other materials with so many different applications. It is also suitable for expanding tripods. Carve any place that belongs to you. LaserPecker is compact and portable. It can be lifted, folded, and stored fast. You can take it anywhere. It's easy to get LaserPecker ready to work. Laser engraving is as simple as having a cup of coffee. Realize all your imaginations with LaserPecker.
These are some of the devices we carry around. And this is the cable you need to charge them. Yes, all of them. Introducing InCharge 6. InCharge 6 allows you to charge and sync USB-C, Apple, and micro USB devices from any USB port. But it doesn't stop there. Since many laptops and power banks are moving to USB-C ports, InCharge 6 features also USB-C as input. Can't find a port around you? Just steal your friend's phone. InCharge 6 supports power transfer from one phone to another, to wireless earbuds, or any other device. Need more freedom? InCharge 6 Max gives you 5 feet of mobility. It's the perfect domestic and travel cable. We've experimented with countless materials in order to make InCharge 6 the most durable keyring cable ever. InCharge 6 faces numerous tests in our factory, but we prefer doing our own, just to be sure. Okay, maybe that was too much. InCharge 6 is already manufacturing, so you don't have to worry about those long crowdfunding waits. We are Rolling Square, a team of designers and engineers based in Switzerland. During the past few years, we have successfully delivered 4 campaigns. Back us today and get your InCharge 6 at the lowest price it will ever be.
Flow is motion, a personal, natural rhythm. When everything clicks, connected to the moment. Iris technology immerses you in sound, dramatically improved audio, a fully focused mind. Introducing the Iris Flow headphones. Visit iris-headphones.com now to find your flow.
Hi, I'm Jacoby. I'm the founder and CEO of Iris Technologies. The core objective of Iris Technologies is to create a world where everybody can listen well.
We've made so many advances in every side of things, especially visually, etc., etc. Things have got better, but the one thing that seems to have gone backwards is the sound element.
So how does Iris help you find your flow? Audio is delivered to the brain in a complex mass of sound waves. In the process of recording audio, much of this spatial information is lost. And compression to digital formats like CD and MP3 degrades the quality and sound waves become flat and lifeless. Iris technology unlocks and resynthesizes this lost audio information, engaging the brain to create an immersive listening experience through positive neurological activation. This makes your favorite music sound better and helps you find your flow.
After 25 years of scientific research, the best acoustic, audio, and aesthetic engineers from around the world, we're now happy to introduce the Iris headphone.
So before you even activate Iris and have this rich immersive experience, you've already got a leading set of headphones on the market in terms of the audio quality.
Iris doesn't just take you back to the CD era. Iris doesn't even take you back to that holy grail of the LP era. Iris takes you right back to the very room where the music was originally recorded.
Iris has an ability to pull you into the moment.
That's better. The difference was massive.
Then when I pressed it and it came on, I've not had an experience like that before when listening through headphones.
I wish everybody could listen to the song in that way instead of how they listen to it now.
It's so much richer on the Iris.
And today I actually heard more that I'd not heard before, which was frustrating because I was trying to come in with a very cynical eye.
It feels like I'm there, as if I'm like live with her. Just me and her. For me.
Introducing the Iris Flow headphones. Dramatically improved audio, a fully focused mind. Available now on Indiegogo.
It all started in 2017 when our team of engineers, developers working days and nights to create the WT2 Plus Translator earbuds. A professional translation device empowering simultaneous live translation. We were entrusted by nearly 300,000 users across the globe and become one of the best-selling translators in the world. Since then, we've been imagining to combine WT2 Plus with something extraordinary. Introducing Time Kettle M2. We redesigned and re-engineered every detail of the device to not only making it a super powerful translator by simultaneously translating more than 93 languages and accents, but also seamlessly immersing into your everyday life with music. Time Kettle M2 is powered by a quantum Bluetooth 5.0 chip to produce intelligent, high-responsive playback while delivering a consistent and reliable connection. And Apex offers incredible sound transmission for optimal experience while you are listening to music or making phone calls. Each earbud provides up to 6 hours of listening and translating on a single charge, while the compact and beautifully designed charging case delivers more than 30 hours of battery life and allows you to instantly switch between songs with simple taps on the earbuds and even activate your AI voice assistant, completely intelligent and easy to use.
Hey Siri, play the next music.
In lesson mode, simply put your phone on the table and our proprietary app picks up whatever you need to translate and simultaneously play right in your ears.
C'est principalement le calcul.
Extract the recording in history, save it on your phone, or send it to your email whenever needed. Watching a movie or learning from home, M2 works just as great and easy. There's no wrong way to use it, because you can use it in every way. On an important phone call and need to translate all of a sudden, quickly switch to our app to use the speaker mode. Faster than ever. Time Kettle is known for our exclusive technology in simultaneous translation. Simply hand the other earbud to the person you need to have the conversation with, and you are all set for highly productive and efficient meeting. Bring it wherever you go. It is a device for your everyday music, but more importantly, you now have access to opportunities boundlessly, even offline. Time Kettle M2 is more versatile and capable. It is the first wireless perfection offering seamless experience between you and the device. This is the new Time Kettle M2.